part of the 2023 and 2024 UV Championship team. Ano nawala ka karon? Welcome to Everything Basketball. Welcome back.
Welcome.
So we're finally back at this one after a long time, almost like a year. We've been on a hiatus for a very good reason, I suppose. Coach Rock, ano ginawala ka?
Medyo busy gid gamay.
So nabisita Coach Rocky was a part of this year's election.
Oh.
So that's mainly the reason why we couldn't get together to do this for quite some time. But that being said, nabalik na mi and
Perfect timing.
Perfect timing.
Guys.
Perfect timing. So we started last year after the Sisafi, but this year it's
During
and at the start, good.
Yes.
So exciting times for Cebu basketball. So kumusta ka, coach?
Exciting kasi na, no?
Yeah, kayo.
Nindot kayo kay ang usa sa atong tan-awon karon sa Safi is kaning literally new na gyud ang new Cebu Coliseum.
That's
Diba?
right.
So exciting kayo.
So katong wala kabalo or it's pretty much everywhere on social media, but the new Cebu Coliseum is really good. It's
New flooring,
Jumbotron, new seats.
new seats,
But
air condition.
yeah, that's the greatest
Air
addition
condition.
there.
Oh.
That's the greatest feature there. The Jumbotron, and it's now air conditioned. So for those of you nga kanang ganahan mo tan-aw nga naay mga apprehensions before kay alimuot and all that stuff, wala na siya. The new Cebu Coliseum is now fully air conditioned.
Oh.
You can watch the games comfortably na.
Yeah, hey.
So very very good time to go and watch this is Safi.
So, si Safi is really in the right direction when it comes to this. So, exciting na, aside sa kaning ilahang flooring, kaning ilang jumbotron, nindot sa guys tanan kay ang mga teams nga naa na karon. Though gamay na lang ang teams, but naa na yung mga new faces.
New faces,
around sa...
And some additions as well that weren't there the past 2 years are the instant replay system.
Yes.
Nakutang na
Nindot
nila.
correct din
Oh.
mga calls.
The stats were able to, I wouldn't like to call it contest, but they're able to review and have a better look at plays.
Yes, aside sa dana, nindot yun ang stats because kibaw aspiring athlete, of course, bisag rookie pa ta niya, dili kita daghang significant minutes sa court kay tungod rookie pa ta sa team. So at least ingon ka nga naa kay mo badge of honor ba nga naa kay makita nimo nga pila ka minutes didto. Ingon ka buta na to 8 minutes ra ka didto but naa kay 6 rebounds, makita nimo didto. Naa kay 3 assists. Yan naa ka ang imong efficiency nimo asa imuhang 6 minutes dito sa court makita. So dako na kay nag-boost sa mga players. So it's a positive tool nga magamit gyud sa mga teams labi na sa Safi. Unya also nindot pud na kay mabase naapoy basis ang si Safi nga mo award baron og kana rookie of the year, then naapoy MVP, season MVP, then naapoy finals MVP, mythical 5, defensive mga usual nga mga kuan nga gamay ra nga award but dako significant ako kayo og kuan tabang sa mga bata.
To add to that side, it helps team adjust to moving forward to the next game. However, if napildi ba sila, nidaog ba sila, those statistics provide more or less a black and white like reference as to where they lost that game,
Oh, yeah.
where they look to improve the next game, what they need to practice more.
Yeah, kaya
So,
example, my games ninyo, I could give an example katong sa USJR against UV, you played your UV. So naamoy how many free throws inyo na-miss?
we missed 14 free throws in that
14
game. We
free
really
throws.
have to
Yeah,
make me say that.
How many points did you lose?
By just free throws to 4 points. We lost by 4 points.
4
only.
points. So ingon ka sa kung ato alang basihon kung how you read the statistics, ingon ka you miss 14 free throws if you just made half of those, so possibly naamoy chance ato
Could have
makadaog,
won,
di ba?
yes.
Possibly.
We could have.
Basin.
Yes,
Basin.
yes. It's all a game
So
of
ina lang
stats
so
and probabilities.
ma-translate ninyo depende lang gyud kanang giunsa ninyo unsaon ninyo pag-maximize, unsaon ninyo pag-utilize ang statistics. So nindot na nga ma-maximize gyud na ato ginang i-take advantage ang ang gihatag karon sa Sisafi nga naa nagamit na kita og stats gyud. So dako kay nagtabang sa teams o individuals.
So yes, kudos to si Safi for
Amen.
improving by leaps and bounds this year. So hopefully tuloy-tuloy na ni. And really just want to invite you all to come and support your schools.
Amen.
At the same time this league, because this is the second oldest league in outside Manila.
Yes.
Diba? So that being said, there's a lot of pride to have Sisafi for Sisafi to be in Cebu. And we need more support. And it would really help a lot if we could get people in and watch the games.
Yes, tinuod yun na.
So,
Ang kuan lang sad like if nag-discuss ta nga unsa may bag-o sa Sisafi, sa bag-o sa Cebu Basketball, so mo na one of those are katong basketball court, katong ilang court. But kita sad everything basketball ato ang i-provide karon diri sa ato ang podcast na to is muhatag ta og Sisafi corner. Sa mo ni siya ato ang ikuan nga muratag mo breakdown ta sa mga one of the plays kanang gigamit karon dito sa mga teams sa kanang nasa Sisafi sa college o sa high school. So muhatag tag mga short clips atong i-breakdown ang mga ilang mga set plays, ilang out of bound plays, ilang mga baseline plays. So ato ang tan-awon din atong i-breakdown how they won the game, how they lost the game. So inana lang ato lang i-discuss gamay.
yes.
Yeah. So
So we're diving deeper into basketball here in this podcast.
Everything basketball.
So everything basketball. So we're looking forward to do more of those
Yes.
as we go along and get new episodes.
Then aside from that, kanang coach's corner, Sisafi's corner, so we'll be also inviting a few referees, technical referees, so that makasabot pud ta sa ilahang perspective ba.
Yes.
Kay, I had opportunity with Coach Ban, kuha ko niya as commissioner dito sa Mayor Kirk Assis dito sa Bayugan. So nakita nako ako commissioner dito, so ari ko sa side sa technical, ari ko sa referees nga side. So nakita nako dili sa coaches, nakita nako ang different nga perspective as a referee. So nindot kay tanan, it's an eye opener for me. So excited po ko ani nga mo share ninyo. So mo invite ta og kanang maybe si Ray Cañete, si Edwin Dihagmok. So ato ang inviteon sila diri nato, then maka-share pud sila sa ilang perspectives at naatay ka ng better understanding pud how they make the play, how they make the calls, how they read the situation and everything. So very exciting you guys tanan.
Shout out Coach Van Force.
Of course, pasok.
Mention mo ka nga, nag-commissioner ka dito sa
Yes.
sa Zamboanga?
Bayugan.
Bayugan. You were also the commissioner of, I would like to say, the very first in a very long time intercollegiate tournament that happened here in Cebu City, where it featured Sisafi teams, NCAA teams, and UAAP teams. Now, for those na wala kabalo, it has been I can't even remember being like following basketball for the longest time in Cebu. I can't remember the last time all these teams from different collegiate leagues came together to play in one league. The last time I remember was when Ateneo came over to Cebu and played in the CBF as a guest team. So after that, I can't really remember. I could be wrong.
Naapoy katong Champions League.
PCCL.
PCCL, Philippine Champions League. So naapunto ning gi-invite po to nato ang Lasal sa Beda. Di ko ka remember
Diri sa Coliseum?
Sa Coliseum.
Coliseum.
Gi-organize man, gi-kuha na to, gi-help man to ni Ayoy. Abot diri in cooperation with Cebu City, of course.
Oh yeah, that's nice. So
Dugay-dugay na gito.
so that being said, the last one was done by Narco Seba. The next one was still done by Narco Seba. So
kuan lang ato lagi kuan paningkamutan because kato akong papa medyo na ilhan mo gito diri Cebu. So
100%.
daghan to siya nabuhat when it comes to basketball. So kuan lang sad is ipadayon lang to nako ang iyang ipangbuhat. So one of which is kaning naatay opportunity diri sa Cebu City kay isaligan mo ko ni Mayor Nestor Archival to help supervise ang atoang sports diri sa Cebu City, not only basketball, o UAP team and NCAA team. So,
yes. Which was quite a success.
yes, I would like to think na successful to siya. Nindot kay tanan kay ang atoang mga teams diri sa Cebu na nabaid pud sila, na expose na
Yes.
sila og kuan kay ang problema gud nato once mahuman ang Sisafi season, wala na gid siya kana muragay kana follow up ba. So at least naata moving forward kuan ba kita mag-invite pa kita.
Oh, so, gamay lang na segue. Gamay, what can we look forward when it comes to like, outside sa Safi?
So karon akong gi paningkamutan nga karong December na atay Christmas League. So karon kan Christmas League kanang commercial na siya kay ang si Safi will still be ongoing pa siguro. So we're still looking into it. So commercial league na siya, then mo invite ang kanang different teams so kung sa Mindanao. Ug hopefully na po ma-invite sa MPBL kung available sila, so why not. Then actually nag-organahan mi nga sa Sinulog unta o organize po tag Sinulog nga basketball tournament, so Sinulog Cup with a mix of PBA teams. Then naapod ni siya kanang MPBL. Then we also have play teams nga EASL katong East Asia Super League, and also some teams from Australia. But ang problema lang nakuan ako kay once nakastorya mi ni Coach Luigi Trillo sa Meralco Bulls o ni Coach Jojo Lastimosa, team manager sa Tocantex. Ang PBA nga season is October to February.
So ongoing.
So conflict is
ongoing.
So ang ako ang na-think na maybe we'll just proceed sa Sinulog Cup without the PBA teams. But later on, once mahuman na off-season, mahuman ang season sa PBA, parehaso na to atong gibuhat ni Yayoy nga mag-invite dili mag-pre-season duwa ang mga PBA teams. Maybe we'll invite 4, then naayo sa kabuk local team. Tanaw na to what will be available. So kana possible ra kay na mabuhat na to kay grabe jud ka supportive ang atong mayor.
Master shout. So sa Safi teams, for this sa mga viewers ba nga dili kayo sweet to, what are the teams to look, I mean, even sa mga viewers nga kabalo na, what are the teams to look out for, dark horses,
sige,
and everything in that line?
Kuan, let's kanang state lang na to ang obvious. So kuan mo gina, given mo gina year in year out, kuan gina ang UV gina ang UC, di ba? So magilo gina 1 ug 2 gina UV kuan ba gyud. So karon ang kaning 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th kanang kuan gid siya, and anyone can take that kuan gid spot gid kay para nako grabe ka. For me, aside sa 1 ug 2 UV UC, ang 3, 4, 5, 6 kay kuan gyud kanang anyone can be
up for grabs.
It's up for grabs.
It's up for grabs.
Ang iluganay gini kung kinsay kuan. So ang kuan na is for me ang nindot nga mga teams karon nga I find it kanang murag kuan is USP. Nindot ang mga position ng USP kay naay mga katong mga naa sa line team na veterano na nag-i-add sa mga bag-o nga players.
Yes.
So kana siya USP, then also ang CIT.
The thing with CIT is that the team nga pag off season nitago, I like to call it nitago. Okay, wala kay na sila pakita. I believe they played in leagues outside Cebu City but wala kayo within Cebu City.
Nya dili pud wala sa siguro no kanang moduwa kuyog og lain nga mga
they played sa Tabugon, but I believe that was their team B. So wala kita ani mga players. Plus they have a new coach in Felix Donbel.
Mr. Quadruple Double.
Yes, the only person. Only papagyan mo siya, di ba?
Murag, oh.
I think he's still the only
Ako
person.
player sa NBA 2K. Naka-quadruple. 5 double. 5 double. Ano na 5
Grabe
double?
yan. Penta double?
5 double na lang.
So, that being said, Mr. Felix Villano, a long-time PBA player, legend in Cebu basketball. So, there's plenty of things to look out for sa CIT, although medyo wala pa sa kadaog karon nga season, but you cannot sleep on that team because kumpleto sila sa lineup. They got size, they got talent. Probably, I mean, let's face it, when it comes to games, scheduling will always be one of the factors for wins and losses, di ba?
USJR and San Carlos tungod na atay nakaduwa mo sa kuan Manila teams.
Yes.
So actually kanang nagkuan ko nag-expect yung ko nga mo finish mo og kanang higher ba this season kay although kato atong sulti no excuses na amoy pila ka rookies nga 9 or 10.
So USJR, we are composed of 9 rookies, all mostly from our high school ranks. ang
Nindot kayo kay naadjay kanang continuity sa inyong
program, yes.
Wapo na. So ang kuan lang, ang naalagi ko na rookie tanan lisod jud guys tanan ba. Pero despite that, nag-expect jud ko nga murag mukuan gid mo level up gid inyong
Yes.
performance. So do na ato tough kitong 2 games ninyo.
Yeah.
But nato may daghang games kay double round robin.
Double round robin ang college.
San Carlos, okay sad na nindot kayo pakita si Maglinti.
Maglinti,
Maayo guys,
grabe. Grabe.
Nagkastorya mi
Shout
sa
out Kyle Maglinti. Grabe ka ba
oh, so nagkastorya mi sa mga coaches sa Manila murag ibo kay sila ni Kyle Maglinti. Kay grabiha ka sayon ra kay mo score, mura siya kanang si kisa ganun na kanang bucket. Sa bisag unsa ra ba mga professional scorer siya ba?
Oo.
Grabe. Sayon ra kay tanan.
Elite scorer.
Oh, ug kani si Kuan, si Hika.
Hika,
So,
yeah.
kailangan silang duha magtimbang yun silang duha.
Dead eye shooter.
Oh.
Sa UV, we can expect the same group of guys. They're pretty much deadly now, more so than ever because they've been together for 3 years na.
Deadly years sila ron.
Deadly years, sila.
Deadly years
They're
sila
more
ron.
mature.
Oh, mature na sila.
They've gotten bigger size-wise.
Oh, ikuha nila, recruit nila si
Ikuha pa nila si
Kabulao.
Carl Cabula from USJR.
SJR.
So, they've bulked up, they've sized up.
Then nagkuha sila solid guard na si Alilin.
Alilin and Bingil.
Yeah, sure, wing nga si Bingil. So grabe kay Saran. So nakita ko to last game. I think Bingil naka 19 points.
Lights out shooting kayong UV last game. Like, amazing.
Si
Pambato
Dodong, Isabelo.
Isabelo,
Si Sensum, siguro to yan.
Oh,
AJ, Sakayan. So,
Sakayan.
Ibo Salardal, Raul Hintalian.
Yes.
Sus, grabe. Kanang,
Kompleto sila.
kung
Puno.
ibungkago ng team, murag first five na tanan.
First five na tanan.
First five na tanan.
For sure. Like,
First five.
first,
Oh.
first five, the first group of UV is given. The second group, in any other team, would be first five, probably all-star. And the
Right,
third
so-
can still be, like,
So,
starters.
ingon ana gid ang program sa UV nga they produce yun kanang tungod sa leadership ni Coach Gary.
Yes.
Witness ko, saksi ko on how Coach Gary runs the team. So nakita gid nako nga respetado gid siya sa mga bata o niya ang mga bata mulaban gid niya.
Wala pa. Kana,
Yeah, dili gid klase nga coach nga kana ganing mahadlok sila ni Coach Gary kana mahadlok kana dili ang ilaha nakita nila ang bata ba ganahan gid mulaban.
Yes.
Para mo na nindot
I can agree with that because during the off season sa 2024, I was with you guys. So I saw how players were very much accountable sa lang own mga lihok within practices.
Noon.
Coach Gary would only say a little, the players would already execute. So nana ang level sa quality nila. Sa UC SAD, they also gotten bigger in the addition of their high school player Carlos Salgarino. They've gotten a few guys sa ilang wing which has size. They're still deadly. They have a very good team, complete with shooters, big men. The addition of Leon Chavez as well at the point guard
Steady. point guard.
really helps a lot.
Which maunay ako ang I think nga katong maunay kuwang nila nga position for me because they kumpleto sila sa big. Actually mas dagko last year mas dagko pa sila ang UC kaysa UV.
Really?
Mas dagko pa sila. Sa wing,
Sa
dagko
wing.
sa 5 nila dagko sila.
Earth color dako na to. Earth color dako.
Ekal si Paraldo.
Oh,
Then naa pa to si
Diaz, sila
Diaz,
Diaz na
so
to.
dagko pa sila, dagko sila.
Leonard.
Mawain ko mas dagko pa sila din. Karon lang kay napunan sila point guard mo kuwang nila so mo na challenge karon sa UC nga mukuan sila nga murag pila na ka years nga murag
They
bridesmaid
after pandemic, like
3 years,
22,
4 years,
23,
4 years.
4 years if they
Oh. So challenge gina nila as a team as a team nga murag kuan.
Yeah.
So hopefully makakuan nila but
they're always there. I mean,
pero I
Diba?
think mas ligon ang ako ha, dili ingon bias but mas ligon ang UV karon compared last year.
oh, definitely.
Ligon na sila last year. Mas ligon pa gid sila karon
Yeah,
kay limited pa ito among big man last year. Kay nabali ba si King si Orculio.
That's true.
Then si
Bago pa si Cañete.
bago pa si Kuan si
Cañete.
si Cañete. So kuan pa kayo. So wala pa kayo na-adjust ba? Murag last kuan na to siya, last minute kay nabali si King murag 2 weeks before sa
Preseason na to.
preseason.
Sitwasyon nga duwa.
So mao na siya. So nakuan to siya di kay mi dagko but karon murag naa sa balik na si King, nya si Cañete murag na hanas na sad sa, sa throughout the year na pud nga ning agi.
Nga si Kabulaw.
Di naapag yun sa Kabulaw nga
Plus
dako
the
kayo.
returning PJ.
Liman nga mao sa kay tanan.
Oo,
So,
fighter sa
kana,
player.
kung ano point guard so mas lisod but also ang UC na sa tingkon sa gyud ang UC.
Yeah.
So kuan lang gyud kanang ang daugon para nako murag ambot lang murag sa coaching na lang siguro og sa kanang kuan.
Yeah.
Oh.
Players. I mean, yeah. Good note. Speaking back, mag-alsa ko sa akong own bangko ani the third placer of last year sa Safi, the USJR Jaguars.
Nakakada coach?
A team that I've been with for 3 years now. Shout out first and foremost to our boss,
Boss Mimi.
Francis Tolibas, who has always been very supportive and generous and kind to our players and our team. USJR wouldn't be
Like
where we were last year and where we are right now if it wasn't for your support. That wala gyud mo kontra na. Now for this year, daghang minangawala nga players, but the coaching staff has decided, since our high school team fought for the championship against Ateneo last year, we lost though. But those the key players of our high school team were together for like 2-3 years already, so they already know each other. So they decide nga sila na lang among dadon sa college, and we'll stick with that. And the high school guys have really been impressive, coupled with the veterans who was more than willing to assist them and bring them up to speed. So yeah, we had a pretty good off season, I say. Finishing second to UC, we defeated UC sa Tabugon, winning the championship there. Thank you for having us participate sa intercollegiate where we had a chance to face these Manila teams, which really helped us a lot. So we as a team won't have any excuse, and we still are aiming for the top 4.
Yes.
And then from there, we'll probably once we get to the 4, we'll think about the championships.
Oh, ano?
Kana. Now going back to your one, USP.
Yeah, nindot na ang USP kay murag na sila na mga na-recruit ni coach
Oh, from coach Alelo.
Alilo.
Alilo.
So na sila yung mga na-recruit nga pero bubu dagko naman sila.
Kalit no.
Dagko naman sila na napatay mga kuan na nila eh. So expectan na. So
They were competitive against UV.
oh,
Di ba? No, it didn't start that way, pero it finished like a really competitive game. Di ba? So,
kaning US Benedicto.
oh,
Na-surprise ko kay maduwa sila, solid sila, naalang sila ginagmay nga i-additional ka na maduwa sila mga panalay niya. Champion sila, napildi na nilang Casablanca. O, sa to?
Blancas.
Golden Blancas, isa na.
Katong hiduan na Shane. Mo ba to?
Kisi Shane.
Menina.
Kailan na eh.
Okay,
Shout out Shane Menina.
Shout out Shane Menendez again. So Benedicto,
Nindot mayo.
they had a pretty solid season by 2023, but by 2024 gito mo gilang coming out party nga kanang you battled against them pag semis, di ba? And kumbati sa ninyo pag elims, medyo pag it was a different story na pag semis, but kompleto sa sila nga team. They have a strong point guard, they have good defensive and offensive wings. Sakto sila og big man. Kompleto sila with Orgong, with De La Cruz, was it?
Oh,
And,
point guard nga.
Point guard si Tulipas.
Oh.
Tulipas, very strong, very solid point guard, very aggressive point guard. And Denrick Orgong, a very solid player, very steady player. Kompleto og offensive skills, post, outside game, mid game. So a very dangerous team and definitely a team to look out for sa Benedicto College. And then
Kuan, UP.
UP. Your thoughts on UP?
Kuan pa kayo actually, kuan ko sa UP because nawala naman to nilang
They lost 2 of their key scorers in JZ Dizon and Matt Flores.
So I think they're rebuilding. Naabga po do naa sila katong mga players nila before si Science naapod to sa.
Lagi sa Padillas nakabanlit.
So kuan sila, let's see. So it's the season is still early. So na to how it will progress sa ilang game. So,
Okay. Yeah, I mean, at the start, naman gina, and then naman gina time for teams to peak.
Oh.
And usually happens not before the season, but within the season.
Usually, ari na mga dapat sa second round,
Second round.
feel, mga feel sa mga teams, ang mga players naka-adjust na. So, there ang nakanindot karon nga season kay you play each team twice, di ba?
Mhm.
So at least na kay time to adjust because last season murag single round na to. Di ba? Single round na to.
Single
Sa to
round
ba?
na to, daghan sa kitong team
Oh,
last
daghan
season.
to. So single round na
Daghan
to
to
last
team.
year. So wala kay kung pildi na ka.
No
So
room
this time
forever.
na kay opportunity maka-rebansin niya. Maka-adjust ba ka if ever na kay kanang mga game plan. So
True.
exciting
No.
na karon.
Kuan coach, na lang ang storyahan to tibok team. A single player to watch per team, like if mo na can say the guy. I mean, all the being in a Safi team makes you like a good player na, but the guy in each team for UV, who would it be?
Sus, lisod kayo.
Paita team.
Para nako walay digay ang UV kay equally kuan gid sila because ang kanindot good ni Coach Gary dili siya ingon nga kanang ingon ka nga kanaging ikaw kuan ka prescribe ka mo na tagaan ka si Coach Gary is a coach players coach gina
Players
so
coach.
makita gid ni Coach Gary nga tan-aw niya init kay si kuan si Bingil sublos Bingil init kay si AJ si Kayan kuan dili gid ingon nga si kuan MVP na to si Raul Talian tagaan ako daghan kay minutes so dili inana kay para nako no based na gid sa akong experience Coach Gary equal ra gid ang iya pagtan-aw so kung tan-aw niya na kuan suwaya abot na tan-aw ko bugnaw to siya mo to tagaan ko kuan so kabantay ka pila na ka games ang Juve I think upat na
four
so
na.
different player of the game
Yeah,
kaga duwa
true.
una si Pupoy indot kay itong interview si Pupoy shout out Poy
Uy, Ivan Clark Alsola.
What were the few preparations? Giusta niyo pagpangandam, especially off-season sa mga liga nga inyong gipangapilan?
Kuan. Sige ra may panalay.
ang ikaduha si ikaduha marag si Raul
Raul. Amo
Italian.
Raul.
Yang sunod si Ibo
Si Dili.
Ibo
Dili. Si Ibo, si
AJ
AJ and then kuan si Bingil.
So lain-lain gyud so mo na siya so lisod kayo din sunod ana siguro sa ikaw ko sa UC
Sa UC, interesting ang UC, but we got the common suspects in Luther Leonard. Interesting ang fit ni Neon Chavez and he's been like doing well sa games. Tagkaman, Danny Boy Lapis.
ang ako coach kay kuan katong si Noynoy Nunyal
Nonol. Jefferson Nonol. Point
Nonol.
guard.
Texas
Guy. Kid from Texas.
so kato maito siya so it's just a matter nga kanang matagaan lang gid sa iyahan kanang set ba
Now we don't know mo good, but interesting ang platoon rotation sa UC. So we don't know sa but
so ikaw coach fan ka unsa man ka coach kanang are you kuan with it kanang sa platoon swap no
platoon substitution.
5 in 5 out
5 in, 5 out. Commonly, I think UC ang grabe mo gamit anak. It's tough for me to say because we don't know the reasoning behind it. But I guess it gives equal opportunities to all players more than anything. The good side of it, di ba? But if
ay
there's
kabaw ko coach sorry
Yeah.
kuan Soliano
yeah, Christian, he's a returning player.
Oh.
Player na muna siya pag 22 and 23, but unfortunately had to leave pag 2024. Now he's back and he's showing really good games in the past two games na duwa na
consistent
mo.
katong ninduwa ta sa Manila katong intercollegiate
Yeah.
consistent siya ug sa to katong shooter si
Fritz Gonzalez.
Gonzalez,
One of the guys that came from the high school ranks. It's amazing how he's scoring like this sa college. I mean, pag high school, he was a 20-point scorer, 20 to 30-point scorer. To be able to get into college and still be that elite scoring machine, pretty impressive from a guy who's only just graduated from senior high. Another person, coach, nga akong i-look out is JV Oringo. Really, he's only like what 18 years old, but
Hustle kayo
yeah. Palag siya sa Manila nga teams mga bigs ha.
murag aboy ba style ba no
Fighter. Dangkan na lang gud siya ni SJ Moore good.
pero na at least na-appeal sa Rails ba
Yeah, but again, JV Oringo has always impressed me pag high school, the maturity, the leadership, still bringing that sa college. So hopefully the kid would go a long way, along with all the others and the team as a whole. Kana.
Kuan coach. San Carlos.
San Carlos, again, what gina, like,
Na-mention naman ito na
there's
to
a
si
standout name, Limuel
Maglinti.
Maglinti,
og
Hika,
si
Tangkay.
Hika, niya si Tangkay.
Si Tangkay. Those are top heavy, guard heavy sila nga team and really explosive guards that can score. So you cannot sleep on them, especially sa ilang offense.
Oh, ilang offense, nindot to ilang offense kay chin series to siya. So nindot to siya kay pass kay ball movement.
Yes.
So kuan gyud. So anyone can really kana nagay opportunity to score as long as ang bola mulihok, mudagan ang kuan nindot kay ang chin series. So same silang offense sa Adamson. Wapo kayo sa so ato din na i-breakdown soon Coach
Yes.
Paul. Shout out Coach Paul.
Shout out Coach Paul Joven, the GOAT point guard of USC. Yes, sir. Benedicto College. If Benedicto magud kay naragay one, I mean, they're all good. They're all good. Really experienced player. Kusog manalay na sila and then they've been together as a team for a very long time even before they got to Sisafi. But Denrick Orgong would really stand out. Like
Orgong,
they'd
bitaw.
go as far as Denrick Orgong
Lisod
would take
pugnan
them.
Lisod pugnan bata.
Simple sa mga moves. Di
Mo
kalas ba?
na kuan nga kanang wala efficient ba.
Oo, di kalas ug lihok bay.
Pang boom.
Usa-usa ra ba mga 1 to 2 moves, puntos na. Fighter Orgong, fighter
Wow,
Orgong.
tinod.
USP.
USP.
The two guys that came from Bugo, Paulo Dalumpines and his very well-known leadership as a point guard since pa pag PSL days, he's taking that his game to USP, which would really help the already established guards there in Janjan Piteros, Howard Taala. They also got Kiton Tabornal. Scorer, very good wing
Elite
scorer.
na siya.
So, fighter ang USP. They've gotten bigger as well.
So pa CIT.
CIT.
So, kuan kayo, di ba? Kanang murag di pakita ka kuan nila.
Di ta kasturya sa USP kay
CIT.
CIT kay ni tago ang guna sila. Wala na sila pakita ba during the off-season. So,
So excited ko na.
excited ko. Because their losses doesn't really speak about their game pa.
Close
For
man,
now,
mga
close na. They've been doing well. And they're a new team, a very strong team compared to last year, I believe. UP's got the size. Dagko sila. Dagko sila. I guess it's just a matter of them getting together and really gelling as a team. And playing together.
Kana siya, then kuan lang, kanang consistent lang yun kay sometimes muraging mo kuan pa ba, muraging sugod pa inon. Pila pa man ato ang game, so at least nag-adjust pa gid sila nga kanang consistency.
So kana siya, those players. So for all you viewers, you might want to go and check them out. They're really good. I mean, all the teams have beefed up this year, so the competition will be stiff, which is good for the league, for the viewers, for the fans alike. So, the 25th season of Sisafi is
Exciting stuff.
yes, is guaranteed to be super competitive. This is all that we really do. Sa una, me and Coach Rocky, we're good friends, but it started out as me being his personal trainer. But even before pa mi nagkasuod yun, every time mag-train me, we only talk about basketball good. Morning nagsugod ni Jerry. So it's really good to see you again. And yeah, we have pretty much covered, like, I guess, this is Safi as a whole for this year.
Yeah, things to look forward to.
What can we look forward to
Oh, yeah. So
for the
karon
next episodes?
so sa next episode na to, watch out mo ni guys kay ato ang interviewon ang the one and only Mr. Commissioner Felix Boy Chokinhoy.
Oh, the man!
So mag one-on-one may atong Com Choki mag-interview ta niya. Then ato siyang interviewon nga unsay mga preparation, unsay ilahang mga bag-o nga gibuhat karon nga season sa kani nga season sa Sisafi. So very exciting stuff gyud karon ng basketball diri sa Cebu.
The man, the legend is coming to everything basketball.
Hey.
Very nice. And moving forward, we'll be breaking down some of the plays. If you got any requests, like you can always like shoot a message or do a comment. We'd be happy to cater to that. But then again, that's it for us today. And Coach Rock, thank you so much.
Thank you.
It's good to see you again. So kita tabalik puhon. This is everything basketball. Thank you guys.